Introducing the KTM-250 bench mount torque tester, a robust and reliable instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost precision. Manufactured by Delta Regis, this bench-mounted torque tester offers exceptional performance and versatility for various applications. With a wide torque range of -50 to 250 Kgf.cm, the KTM-250 is capable of measuring both clockwise and counterclockwise torque, making it suitable for testing a wide range of products. Its bench-mounted design provides a stable and secure platform for accurate torque testing, while the compact size allows for easy integration into production lines or laboratory environments. The tester features a clear and intuitive digital display, providing real-time torque readings and making it easy to monitor test results. The peak hold function captures and displays the maximum torque value, allowing users to easily identify peak torque during testing. The KTM-250 offers multiple measurement modes, including real-time, peak, and preset torque modes, providing flexibility for different testing requirements. The KTM-250 bench mount torque tester is an indispensable tool for quality control and testing professionals. Its high torque capacity, bench-mounted design, and user-friendly features make it an ideal choice for measuring torque values accurately and efficiently. Invest in the KTM-250 and take your torque testing capabilities to the next level.